Good afternoon. We are in the Bahamas via Nassau. Yes, and we have come to the Atlantis, and then outside of the Atlantis, in the outskirts of the city, we have come to this amazing waterfall that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, but guess what? Look at these steps. As I can say to that, nope, that will not be me climbing up those stairs with my bad knee. Okay, so we're gonna bypass that and we're gonna go here to this wonderful, tropical, beautiful, fabulous, amazing space going beneath the palm trees, and then there is the waterfall. That's lovely. Look at that. I'm trying to get up in here, you know. This is my excursion for today. To show you, I gotta do some climbing. Look here. I ain't climbed stuff since I was a kid, so. Okay. Let's see. Absolutely lovely. Look.
I don't know if I need to climb it.
Girl, I know, right?
Did y'all want somebody to take a picture?
Look at that, everybody. Okay, good. Have a good day. Beautiful.